Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Dan, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on To-Complete Performance Index. What is the To-Complete Performance Index, or TCPI for short? The To-Complete Performance Index is a comparative earned value management metric used primarily to determine if an independent estimate at completion is reasonable. It computes the future required cost efficiency needed to achieve a target estimate at completion. The TCPI definition by the Program Management Institute states, To-Complete Performance Index is a measure of the cost performance that is required to be achieved with the remaining resources in order to meet a specified management goal, expressed as the ratio of the cost to finish the outstanding work to the remaining budget. What is the purpose of To-Complete Performance Index? The TCPI helps program managers and earned value professionals determine the future efficiency of a project. It tells them how to effectively use their resources to complete the project on budget. TCPI answers the basic project question, how efficiently must we use our remaining funds? What is the Cost Performance Index? The Cost Performance Index, CPI, is a method for calculating the cost efficiency and financial effectiveness of a specific project. You need to know the CPI since it is used to calculate the To-Complete Performance Index for the future effectiveness of the remaining funds. What is the main difference between To-Complete Performance Index and Cost Performance Index? Cost Performance Index and To-Complete Performance Index both are a measurement of a program's cost efficiency. But Cost Performance Index is for current status where TCPI is for forecasting. The main differences between Cost Performance Index and TCPI are: Cost Performance Index represents the project's current cost efficiency. TCPI estimates the project's future cost efficiency. Cost Performance Index is the actual efficiency of the completed work. TCPI is the estimated forecast of efficiency of the remaining work. There are two different TCPI formulas versus one Cost Performance Index formula. How to calculate the To-Complete Performance Index? Here are the two main formulas that are used to calculate To-Complete Performance Index. The TCPI is computed by dividing the work remaining, which is represented by subtracting the cumulative budgeted cost work performed, BCWP, from the budgeted completion, BAC, budget remaining, which is represented by subtracting the cumulative actual cost work performed, ACWP, from the target estimate at completion, EAC. Sorry that the titles of the formula are wrong, it should be TCPI. The key variables that plug into the To-Complete Performance Index formulas are: AC equals actual cost, BAC equals budgeted completion, EV equals earned value, BCWP equals budgeted cost work performed, EAC equals estimate at completion, ACWP equals actual cost work performed. After the To-Complete Performance Index is calculated, the results can be analyzed to determine how efficient the remaining funds can be utilized to complete the project. Reasonable, if TCPI is within 0.5 of CPI. Overly optimistic, if TCPI is greater than 0.5 of CPI. And finally, overly conservative, if CPI is more than 0.5 of TCPI. Here's an example scenario. The project you are working on is 12 months long and has a budgeted completion of $100,000. You are currently at 6 months and spent $60,000, and 60% of the work has been completed. Now let's calculate the TCPI. First we need to figure out the main variables we will need to input into the TCPI equation. Budgeted completion, BAC, equals $100,000. Actual cost, AC, equals $55,000. Planned value, PV, equals 50% of $100,000 equals $50,000. Earned value, EV, equals 60% of $100,000 equals $60,000. Cost Performance Index, CPI, equals EV divided by AC equals 60,000 divided by 55,000 equals 1.1. Since the Cost Performance Index is 1.1, which is greater than 1, you are under budget. Now let's plug these variables into the TCPI formula and see what we get. After inputting all the variables into the highlighted equation we get a value of 0.89. So the answer for a total cost performance index of 0.89 tells us that it is okay to complete the project. since it's within 0.5 of the CPI of 1.1. It's deemed reasonable that we can complete the project on the remaining funds. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the To Complete Performance Index. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and visiting ACT Notes.